Question number 5. How much a dozen apple cost if the price of each apple is rupees 8.35? So in this question, each apple cost means the cost of one apple we have given, so we will assume the one apple cost is equals to 8.35. Now a dozen apple cost we have to find. As you know that 1 dozen means 12, so you have to find the cost of 12 apples. So if one apple cost 8.35, so 12 apple will cost 8.35 into 12. So here is our solution. A dozen apple means 12 because 1 dozen means 12. So here I written a dozen apple equal to 12 apples. So each apple means 1 apple cost 8.35. So the price of 12 apple equals to multiply 8.35 by 12. So here the multiplication, I think you know how to multiply the two numbers. So first multiply the 0 with 5. 2 5s are 10, carry over 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 8s are 16. So I have written 16. Now cross down 1. 5 3 8. 5 3 8. Now add these numbers. 0 7 and 5 2 12, carry over 1. 6 plus 1 7 plus 3 10. 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 8 10, carry over 1, and this one we have written here. So the cost of a dozen apple means 12 apples equals to 100.25 rupees. Next question. A cardboard box weight 0.0545 kilogram. What will be the weight of 8 such box? Means one box weight equals to 0.045. This is given to us. Now 8 such boxes. So one box weight this much. So 8 boxes weight equal to 0.045 into 8. So nothing. What you have to do, you have to multiply this number by 8, so you will get the answer. So 8 5s are 40, carry over 4. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36, carry over 3. 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 3. Now you got 360, and then what you have to do, you have to put the decimal point after how many place? 3 place. So 1 2 3 place I put the decimal point here. So our answer is 0.360 kg. Next, a piece of ribbon is length 1.5 meter. What will be length of 15 such ribbons? So one ribbon length, it is given 1.35 meters. Now we have to find the length of 15 such ribbons. So one ribbon length 1.35 meters. So 15 ribbons length equal to 1.35 into 15. So when you multiply 15 and 1.35, then you will get your answer. So 5 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. 5 3s are 15 or 2 17, carry over 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Then 1 multiply by 5 5. 1 multiply by 3 3, and 1 multiply by 1 1. Now add these all. 5 7 and 5 12, carry over 1. 6 and 1 7 and 3 10 0 carry over 1 1 and 1 2. Now you got 2025. Now where you have to put the decimal point? Now see in the multiplicand, after the 2 place from the right there is a decimal point. Look at here, 35. So from the right we will put a decimal point. So our answer 20.25. Here is the solution. You just have to multiply by 15 meters. 20.25 meter is your answer. Move on to the next question, number 8. If cost of 1 meter cloth is 75.36, 1 meter cloth cost equal to 75.36. If the cost of, find the cost of 7.25 meter of cloth, what we have to do? 1 meter length of cloth cost 75. So we have given 1 meter length of cloth is cost 75.36. So we have to find 7.25 meter. 7.25 meter. If the length of the cloth is 7.25, so what will be the cost? We have to find the cost. So what we will do? We will multiply. If 1 meter, if 1 chocolate costs 75, so 7 chocolate cost 75 into 7. So here we will multiply 75.36 with the 7.25. Okay, let's see the solution. Here I have written these two numbers. Now 5 6 are 30, 0 carry over 3. Now 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18 carry over 1. 5 5 are 25 plus 1 26 carry over 2. 5 7 are 35 or 2 37 are written 37. Now 2 6 are 12 carry over 1. 2 5s are 10. Now 2 7s are 14 plus 1. There is a carry of 1 15. Now multiply with 7. 7 6 are 42. So I've written 42 carry over 4. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 carry over 2. Now 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37. So I written 7 carry over 3. Now 7 7 are 49 and 3 52. So I written 52. Now we will add these three group of numbers, 0 8 and 2 10 carry over 1. 6 plus 1 7 7 7 14 14 or 2 16 carry over 1. 7 and 1 8 8 or 5 13 carry over 1. 1 and 3 4 4 or 5 4 and 5 equals to 8. 4 and 5 equals to 9. Sorry, 4 and 5 equals to 9. 9 and 7 16 carry over 1. 1 and 1 2 and 2 4. Now 5 left, so I have written 5. So 5 6 3 6 0 0. Now decimal point in this after 2 place, in this also after 2 place. So 2 to 4. So from the right we will put a decimal point 4 places. 1 2 3 4 places. So here I put the decimal point. Next question, Savitri's car gives an average of 10.5 km per liter of fuel. Average 10.5 km per liter. मतलब in 1 liter the car will go 10.5 km. Now how many liters of fuel does Savitri needs if she has to cover 262.5 km journey? So 1 kilometer, this much fuel is needed for in 1 liter of fuel per liter means 1 liter. So 10.5 kilometer distance is covered. This 10.5 kilometer distance is covered in 1 liter of fuel. So how much distance the Savitri has to cover? 262.5 kilometer. This much kilometer distance that has to cover. So what we have to do here you have to divide 262.5 by 10.5. Now here there are two methods to solve this question. First method is that there is a decimal point in this number after one place, and in this number also after one place. So we can remove this decimal from here and here, and then directly we can divide, we can cut the number by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now 5 5s are 25, 1 left, 5 2s are 10, then 2 left, 5 5s are 25. Now by which number we can simplify these two? By 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 3 1s are 3, 2 left, 3 7s are 21, 1 left, 3 5s are 15. Now by by 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 3 left, and 7 5s are 35. So our answer is 25 liter of petrol is needed to cover 262.5 kilometer of distance. And our answer, here is a solution. I have solved 25 liters of petrol. Now question number 10. How much will a milkman earn by selling 12.45 liters of milk if he sells 1 liter of milk for rupees 21.40? So 1 liter milk cost, it is given to us 21.40. Now how much milkman earn by selling 12.45 liter of milk? If 1 liter milk cost 21.40, so what is the cost of 12.45 liter of milk? So what we will do, we will multiply. If one chocolate costs 21 rupees, so what is the cost of 12 chocolate? What we will do, we will multiply the 12 with the cost of one chocolate. So like this here also we will multiply 12.45 by 12.45 with 21.40. So here is our solution. So just multiply and you will get the answer. What? 266.43. You have to multiply and you have to put the decimal point. Only multiply you have to do in this question. Now move on to the next question. A biscuit making unit uses 4.55 kg of salt every week. In 7 days, means in 1 week, the company uses how much salt? 4.55 kilogram of salt. Now how much salt is used by the biscuit making unit every day? Every day means in 1 day. So 7 day the company uses the salt 4.55. So in 1 day how much that company will use the salt? So what we have to do, 7 days 4.5, so 1 day. Now here 7 chocolate cost this much of rupees. So what is the cost of one chocolate? So to find the cost of one unit, the cost of 1 unit or the cost of 1 day, for that we will divide the number. So 4.55 we will divide by 7. So divided by 7, you will get the answer 4.55. So 7 is a whole number and this is a decimal number. Now here 4 is a less than 7, so we cannot divide 4 by 7. So what we will do, we will put a 0 and decimal point after this 0, and then we can take the next number which is written right hand side to the 4. So number is 5 and this number become 45. Now we can read the table of 7 6 times. 6 7 ja 42. Now we will subtract and we will get 3 from here. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 4 0. Now we will take the next number. We can take this number because already we have put the decimal point 35. Now 7 5 ja 35. So what is our answer? Now this 35 and 35 will cancel out and we got 0.65. Here is a solution. We solved. So our answer is 0.65 kilogram.